Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about none other than Pepe itself. Shout out to the Pepe community for sticking around from the beginning and showing tremendous amount of love. Cannot thank you guys enough. Continue supporting and you will see a continuation of these updates. So as we are going into Monday morning, of course, the day of Sunday is pretty much halfway over. But if you're looking at Pepe, it's looking absolutely amazing as well as the broader market because we have seen a bounce in Bitcoin, which is of course having a good correlation for some of these coins. Pepe up 9% on the daily time frame, currently sitting at 1016. So guess what? We have knocked out another zero out of the price. So we're currently sitting at 4 zeros in front of the price, up 8.9% in Bitcoin, USD, and Ethereum comparative. Market cap is at about 4.3 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is through the roof, currently sitting at $1.7 billion. But before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So holders are 290,400 holders. So of course, we have crossed that 290,000 mark for the holders, but let's take a closer look and see what is happening. I apologize if I'm saying the disclosure again. Before we get into it, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. I think I said it twice, but, I always have to say it. It's extremely important. You guys can see Pepe is still ranked as the top third in terms of meme coins, but, Popcat is climbing up and, Popcat is doing something, that is beyond impressive. So shout out to you if you have Popcat in your portfolio. People tend to compare the likes of Shiba Inu, Pepe, Bonk with the likes of Popcat, but one big, props that we have to give Popcat is it is going up with the community's help. They did not have all these exchange listings right as it came out. It's community driven and it deserves all the recognition it's getting. But remember, meme coins are meme coins at the end of the day. 99% of these I think will not, 99.8% actually I don't think are going to be here in the long term. So have some strategy, guys. If you are not going to have a strategy, you will get left behind, and I promise you that. And on the channel, I don't want anyone being left behind. But looking at the dominance index, 58.08%, pretty much on the verge of breaking out, but it has gone down a little bit compared to yesterday. Hence, you are seeing some coins going up, way more than Bitcoin, because if you're looking at the last day, Bitcoin is only up 1.1%, but if you're looking at a lot of these coins, they're up way more than BTC itself. Bitcoin has seen a beautiful bounce, currently approaching $63,000. Hopefully, we do see that a daily close here. That would be really nice to see, and I think that could push the price of Bitcoin up to $64,000 going into Monday morning, considering there's no external factors that can impact the market. So if that is okay, I do believe BTC could potentially break out and start heading towards some potentially new yearly highs. Looking at Pepe, beautiful bounce, and I have stated to you guys, if you follow the channel on a regular basis, I've stated that Pepe is pretty much replicating Bitcoin. And what I mean by that is, look at this. Bitcoin set a monthly high back in September 28th, pretty much closing the month of September. We went up to 66,300 for Bitcoin. And then of course we retested 60K. It's pretty much picking up traction again. If you're looking at Pepe, it set itself up to 1182, first time since July. So first time after a few months, and then retested the support and once again picking up traction. So a big correlation. And again, if you want to put this into perspective, from that support itself, you guys know the importance of the support. I've highlighted this continuously. If you are measuring the move, Pepe is up 26% just in the last 2 to 3 days from that key support line. But as the price of Pepe is trying to break out, guess what's happening? A big hurdle is coming in its way. As I've stated to you guys before, the previous all-time high wick all the way up to that 1068 is playing as a huge resistance for Pepe, and that is to be expected. But if that is able to clear out, I do believe the September high could be retested and potentially start seeing Pepe reaching some levels that we have not seen for quite some time. But until then, we cannot ignore these next targets. People want the explosive moves. People want to see this. People want to see this, and of course, I'm sure no one does not want to see that. But we cannot ignore, Bitcoin's movement. We cannot ignore what kind of correlation the dominance can have. So, these are some factors I want you guys to, kind of understand. But the fact that we're back above, 4 zeros, you can really see that is interesting to see. And if we're able to see a daily candle close that here as well, I do believe, there is a high chance that we do see a breakout and Pepe heading towards September highs. And again, if you want to put that move into perspective, it's only a 17.65% move, so it's not even a major move. I do believe that could be a very likely possibility for us to get to that level. But let me know down below what you guys think. What are your personal projections? Love each and every one of you guys. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.